Hey guys, namaste everybody, what's up and welcome back to Sam World. Why are you back again? Wasn't it enough love ordered in last video?
Why, what happened?
No, everybody told that video was great, nice points and everything, but everybody told one thing.
What?
You wasted your time in the intro, waste 2 minutes, prolonged intro, why did you include that shit in the middle?
Jerry.
Only people who understood were very few creators. YouTube creators are the one who could understand the pain. If not, nobody else even cared about it. Well, if at all you have that intention right now, bahar ki rasta us taraf.
No intentions like that right now. Different intentions.
Fine, what's the matter then?
I want a new phone, man. I want suggestions for that.
But you already have a new phone, right? I mean, you purchased it some 7 to 8 months ago.
Yeah, I did, but battery life isn't great.
I already told you, if at all you use the phone connected to the charger, obviously battery life will go down. Why it will even sustain?
I have to, man. It's inevitable.
But why? I mean, are you playing games or what while connecting it?
No.
Without even that, then what's the matter, boy?
Online classes.
What do you mean?
4 hours of online class means 4 times of charging. That means 8 hours of the time my phone is dating with the charger.
Dating?
I mean, it's always being connected with the charger, and whenever I use it, no battery life at all.
That means battery life.
Fine.
So what kind of smartphone are you expecting right now?
Great battery life, good display, and decent processor.
Well, what's the budget range?
Under 15K and non-Chinese.
Okay, fine. So all the people who are expecting a non-Chinese under 15K and all similar type of expectations like him, there is one smartphone under 15K that you can go blindly without even asking anyone.
Wow.
So that's none other than the all new and all old the Samsung Galaxy M21.
Wow.
Yes guys, it's an amazing smartphone under 15K. Let's see unboxing and let's see what's all special about this and what this phone can offer us. So
This is Sampath.
and you're watching Sam World.
So what's the wait for?
Let's get started. So guys, welcome back to the unboxing, and this box is another box called the Samsung Galaxy M21 box. So let's see what is all the box about, and this box is something called the M21 box.
Hello brother, నువ్వేం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు అర్థమవుతుందా నీకు?
Yes, this is the Samsung Galaxy M21. So this proves that our Milky Way galaxy has another galaxy called as the Samsung Galaxy.
ఒళ్ళే
Anyways, nothing interesting about the box. Let's cut the seal and let's dive into the box itself. So let's throw over the upper lid. Oh, there's something in the upper lid, huh? Okay, so देखते हैं क्या है ये. So some Samsung is written over here. Okay, let's see what's there over here. Okay, and on the back side we have a SIM ejector pin. कुछ नहीं है, बस SIM tray में घुसा के बस वो SIM tray निकालने के लिए. And अरे यार. Anyways, they keep somewhere else the openings. Okay, let's hope for the case. No case at all. This is normal paperwork. What will you even do with that? Anyways, no use of telling the Samsung will not do anything for that. So there's the phone, the main phone. There's not a slow motion, guys. I've taken it out slowly because phone is a little bit heavy as well because of the 6000 mAh battery in it, and there's a travel adapter. आसान भाषा में इसको charger बोलते हैं. And there's a 15 watt fast charger, and there's a Samsung branding over here, and all adaptive fast charging, and this is the cable that they have provided with. So this is a normal Type-C cable, I guess. Yes, nowadays Type-C has become really common in almost every phone. Every phone is bundling Type-C, which is a really good thing. So this is the direct phone itself, and let's hope that there is a screen guard applied. Let's remove the plastic wrap over here. So I've removed it, and let's see. No screen guard at all. Seriously disappointing from Samsung. Anyways, this is the Infinity U display, and there is a camera over here, and that is a speaker grill. On the left side we have SIM tray, and on the right side we have is the lock button and the volume rockers, and on the back side we have the fingerprint scanner and the triple camera module 48+8+5 with a flash, and there's a polycarbonate back design with 6000 mAh battery in it, and on the bottom we have is the charging pin with the 3.5mm headphone jack, and then we also have the microphone and speaker grill. On top we have secondary noise cancellation mic, which is all casual. Let's see the SIM trick configuration what we get, and this is a triple slot that we get 2 SIM cards, 1 micro SD card slot. So yes, that's it all. I'll boot the phone and we'll be back. Until then, take a quick look at the specs of this phone. So guys, this smartphone comes with a 6.44-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with the Exynos 961 processor, which is actually a little bit outdated. And then camera, talking about the front camera, it comes with a 20 megapixel single cam with Infinity U display and Infinity U notch, and we get a back camera of 48 plus 8 plus 5, in which 48 is the main, 8 is the wide, and 5 is for the depth. And then RAM, we have 4GB and 6GB variants, and storage we have 64 and 128GB. And then battery we have is a massive 6000 milliamp hour battery and with a 15 watt adaptive fast charge. Well, talking about the UI, it comes with the One UI 2.0 based on Android version 10, and it comes with the colors of Midnight Blue and Raven Black, and the security that we have on the smartphone is rear fingerprint with a face unlock. So guys, the phone is booted up and is all ready. As you see, this is how the phone looks like, and this is running on One UI Core 2 and Android version 10, which is the latest Android version, Android 11 by guys Sal. And anyways, these are pre-installed apps that have been come on the Samsung phone: Netflix, Amazon, and Prime. Fortunately, there's no TikTok over here, which is a very good thing. Samsung UI at least doesn't promote that. So yes guys, that's it with the UI. Let's see the lock screen, how it is. So this is the lock screen guys, normal casual wallpapers, nothing so interesting. Some interesting but mostly boring. This is the AMOLED display, so we get the always on feature over here, so it will be nice. And then there's the fingerprint scanner, and the responsiveness of this is really good. It's really fast. Moment you keep on it, it just unlocks in a flash. And there's a camera interface, so this camera interface is really good, and there's the wide angle mode and there's the normal mode, and we have a mode for even 48 megapixel. Well, nothing so much use of this. It will be the same thing, just the clarity improves, that's it. And there's the video. Even video has got a wide angle mode, so you can record videos in wide angle mode as well. And in the more section, as you see, we have got pro, panorama, forward night, super slow motion, and hyperlapse. That's a cool thing. And live focus is also there. That means you can focus the object in live when you're taking the photo. So guys, this is a photo of a guitar boy over here. Even I played so many guitar videos, so do check them out. Also, I'm bringing so many other guitar videos as well. If you haven't checked them out, go click on the I section over here. So guys, this is a camera sample that I have taken, and this is how it is, a little bit shaked. Anyways guys, I will also see the front camera as well. So this is Sampath, also known as Sample, so intelligent smart boy. Everyone says that, not me. So this is a wide angle selfie that also we get group selfie mode, and this is the normal selfie that we casually get. Good thing. So yes, that's all with the camera interface. So I will show right now some of the camera samples that I have taken from the Samsung Galaxy M21. So here we go guys, the first camera sample is a landscape picture of some scenery out there, and then this is the wide angle photo that I have taken of this thing. And then wide angle looks cool, the clarity is also good, but looks like a little bit of fish eye type of thing. And there's a normal mode, and the sunlight glare is coming on this, so a little bit disappointing of that. But anyways, the clarity is really good, the colors are also good. And as you see, there's a close-up picture of this thing, so the close-up pictures also come pretty good, the colors and the blur effect. As you see, this photo, the blur effect is too good, the nail and that rust, it's really amazing. And this is at the indoor lighting conditions. I'm not such a great photographer, but I've tried to click some pictures, and this is how it comes like. This is a 14 megapixel one, and this is a really 5x zoomed photo. So yes, these are the camera samples. I hope you like them.
So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and I disappointed with this no back cover and screen protector.
Well, that's a huge disappointment indeed. And if at all you're purchasing a smartphone, be sure to also order these back cover and the screen protector, because that's very important. Because protection is very important.
Well, who deserves this smartphone according to you?
So well, that's a very good question, because who deserves a smartphone? Well, this smartphone is for those people who want a long-lasting battery life and who travel a lot. And also the smartphone is for those people who actually like to watch videos or stream Prime, Netflix at high quality settings, because the display of this smartphone is really good. Samsung displays are considered to be one of the top grade quality, so you can go for this smartphone if you're that type of a user. Well, this smartphone is not considered for those people who are like hardcore gamers and want some top-notch performance.
But why?
Why? Because this smartphone doesn't offer that great performance for hardcore gamers, because hardcore gamers generally want some amazing performance, and Exynos processors tend to fail to satisfy that want. So if at all you're a moderate gamer or some small scale gamer, then this smartphone is for you, but hardcore gamer, then definitely no.
Well, purchase
So
links.
yes, if at all you want the purchase links, then that will be in the description box below.
Where is it?
So this is currently available in the Amazon.in. So you can just check it out. 4GB RAM, 6GB RAM variants. So you can just go and check it out. Link will be in the description. So that's it for the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, or else
Dislike.
and comment down your suggestions and opinions. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. So until then,
Take care.
bye bye.
See you all guys in my
Next one.